We're just going to work for someone. It's going to take low stress. It's going to be easy. And I looked at him, and I wasn't trying to be like disrespectful or anything, but I laughed. Like, I'm like, oh, that's funny. I'm like, you guys aren't going to own another business. And they're like, no, D, we're not going to own another business. Stress isn't worth it. You know, these last 2 years have been terrible. Like, I don't ever want to go through that again. I just want to go work my 40 some hours a week, cash my paycheck, spend time with my family. I was just like, okay, all right, whatever. Sure. I said, I give you less than a year and you guys will own a business. And they were like, nope, not going to do it. We're just going to go and we're going to work for someone. I said, okay, sure. Great. Awesome. Well, I'll talk to you in less than a year. So anyway, I think it was officially about 9 months into their job. I got a phone call and said, hey, we're going to start a company. Do you want to help out and get this thing rolling? I said, heck yeah, let's go.